Okay, y'all, I am at Family Dollar. We are going to be getting into some clearance items today. I have some at home that I want to show y'all, but right now in the store, these are ringing up for $1.97, the 32 ounce, and it is the Ultra Strength, the green one. And then also on the antibacterial $1.97, and we have $1.50 off in the Family Dollar app. These are still ringing up at 97 cents. I am aware that not all stores with Family Dollars have these clearance prices, but it's always good to ask the cashier for a price check so you can make sure that prices are accurate. Now, this is the first stop. I will be stopping at one more Family Dollar because I got stuff to do today and I'm want to hurry up and get this video out to y'all. So, check out the items. I will, and then I'm gonna be using my $7 off for probably some game products or something. So we gonna see how that goes. Okay, y'all, these big Dove products, the women's is 30.6 ounce and the men's is 30 ounce. They are $9.97 each. When you spend 15, you can get 5 off of your next shopping trip as well. So be on the lookout for these. I'm gonna have to let these pass, but if I had a Dove coupon, I probably would have snagged these, but they still a little pricey for my pocket. So I'm gonna have to let these pass. Okay, y'all, I am finally home, and here is some of the items that I got on clearance are cheap for at the Family Dollar. We gonna start off with the Irish Spring, cause after I showed y'all the Palmolive and the Fantastic being on clearance, I bumped into these, and in the Family Dollar app there is a coupon. So basically it's like a little glitch that's going on. These regular price was $7.95, but on clearance they were $6.42. And we have a coupon where you save $5 on 2 Irish Spring or soft soap items. Basically, both of these was $12.84. I had a $5 digital coming off, making them $7.84. And so the next shopping trip I did was at another Family Dollar, and these are the items I bumped into. These Fabulosos, and it's the ones that say antibacterial, and they are the 16.9 ounce. They got the pine, and you can tell the difference because these are like light purple and this is like a cloudy looking green compared to the other ones they got on the shelf. These are for me they was ringing up $1.25, which wasn't bad still because they was $2.40. But in some stores, they do have these on clearance for 47 cents. So you just got to utilize your Family Dollar app or ask the cashier because sometimes the correct prices do not ring up in that app. So, like I said, some stores, these are 47 cents a piece. I wish I could have caught them at that, but I'm satisfied with the $1.25. Then, these I had a $2.50 off for Shea Moisture products. These were reduced because we all know Shea Moisture products will run you like between $11 and $12. So this what is this? Bond Repair Leave-In Conditioner was $6.97. $2.50 came off, making it $4.47. And then the shampoo was $5.97. We have that $2.50 coming out for that, making it $3.47. So that one coupon attached to both of these items, making them even cheaper. Then I picked up this Gain Flings for $4.90. And then I got a 12.2 fireworks game beads. They were $10.50. We have a $2 digital coming off, making them $8.50. So the total for all of these items after coupons and with that $5 off was $26.34. So I don't think that is bad for that transaction. Now I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, I had $7 off my account as well doing that P&G deal. When you spend $21, you get $7 off your next shopping trip. I'm about to show y'all that transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my $7 off transaction. And whenever you do that P&G deal, which I think it's every Sunday or something, they put the coupon on there because they hurry up and took them coupons off, y'all. Basically, you can only use the coupon Monday through Saturday or Monday through Friday. I gotta look at the fine print. You cannot use it on Sunday. Then, whenever you get $7 off an item, you cannot use it with a coupon. Like basically, if an item has a coupon, it will not take the $7 off. So I had to grab this 45 low gain. It was $8.20. $7 came off of that, making it $1.20. Then I had the Gain Happy. It was $10.50. We have $2 coming off of that, making it $8.50. And just same for the fireworks, $10.50, $2 off, making it $8.50. And then I got put one of those clearance Palmalas, which was $1.97. We have $1.50 coming off, making it 47 cents. So the total after coupons and that $7 coming off, the total was $18.67. I don't think that was bad at all for that transaction. Now, let's get into some more clearance items. I found these last night, and these are the ones that I was talking about showing y'all when I got back home. So let's get into some more clearance items. Okay, y'all, here are my clearance items from last night. The small spaces, y'all, were $1.47. It's the apple mango and the Georgia peach. Then you have these particular, the apple mango and the summer berry. They were $1.47. The ones that say air on them, which are normally $4, they were $1.97 each. And then the Downy beads is the cool cotton, the 13.4 ounce. They were $7.97. And none of these had coupons attaching. But I was like, oh well, they clearance. So I just went on and snatched them up. So basically, y'all, that is all the stuff that I had to show y'all from Family Dollar that was on clearance, sale, glitch, whatever the case may be. And I went to do a 5 off of 25 deal at Dollar General. I really am not satisfied with that deal, but I just went on and grabbed up the stuff anyway. So let me show y'all what I got from Dollar General, and then we gonna end this video. Okay, y'all, here is my 5 off of 25. I'm somewhat satisfied with this transaction, but y'all, I was rushing in the store. Stuff was picked over and the whole nine. So I had to get what I had to get. But the Lysol, y'all, was $5. We have $1 off, making it 4. The Clean Freak was $5. We have $1 off, making it 4. Then the Gain Happy was $9.95. I had 2 coupons attaching, $1.55 and a $2, making it $6.40. And the Gain Relax is a clearance item, so it's the one just like this, but it's the purple one. The coupons do not attach to that, and that one is probably like $8 something right now, but the coupons don't attach to that one. Then the Game Flings, I got the one for $19.95 because it had a $3 and a $2.05 attaching, making it $14.90. Then on the Suave lotion, it was $4.50. We have $1 on that, making it a $3.50. So the total after coupons and my 5 off 25, it was $27.80, and that's before taxes, making each item $5.56 each, y'all. So I guess it's okay, but not on. Well, yeah, I, it's okay because I mean these items was right at $5, and only cheap item I had for real was the Suave lotion at $4.50. But to get a $19 detergent down to $5.56, I guess that was a steal. But y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this clearance video and are able to get out and find some of these clearance items. Don't forget, all stores are different. So what might be on clearance in my store might not be in yours, but you do have to double check because who knows, you could have those clearance items as well. And turn on your post notifications because no telling what type of deals I will be dropping next. With that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace. I forgot to tell y'all too, if y'all do bump into the 97 cent Fantastic, try to get $12 worth because you will save $3 on those. Cause I forgot last time I found these, I got about 13 of them and then saved $3 from that SC Johnson coupon that we have in the Family Dollar app. So take note and look at the clearance items. So when y'all go in the store, y'all will not forget what is on clearance. And these palm olives are the 32.5 ounce ones, y'all. So be on the lookout.